Crane failures often result in injuries, fatalities, and extensive property damage. When they fail, it can be very catastrophic, as you're about to see in this video. Crane failures can be caused by mechanical failures, operator error, improper maintenance, overloading, environmental conditions, and structural failures. Crane failures can occur in different forms, including collapses, tip-overs, boom failures, and load drops. In reality, crane accidents are relatively rare compared to other types of workplace accidents.